Hey guys, so what we are doing today is we're putting a hood louver, a poison spider hood louver on Ben's Jeep. Anyway, he's in there grinding right now. I'm just starting to get everything going here, but anyway, we'll just go over there. We'll see what he's doing, and then we'll just keep you up to date. I mean, I did do one of these already on my Jeep, so this will just be sort of a as we go. It's not going to be an instruction and things of that sort, but anyway, I just hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see, we're just about done. We're just drilling the holes here now for the outer edge. And then we got to flip it over. We got to drill a 3/4 inch hole on the other side to get a nut on the back side. And it's these top ones here for sure. And then screw all these down and we will be done. So this went pretty good. Went pretty good. So what we are doing now, just touching up all the holes. So we just gotta make sure that all the bare metal is covered so that we don't get any rust and things of that sort. So we're gonna get this done here now, but you can see we got the hood cut. He does have a decal, so you see where this decal is black. Well, the hood louver's black, so when he has the decal on there, what pieces that we cut out, actually, these pieces that he cut out, he has a decal that's going to go on the hood louver, but it'll be in the same green color of his Jeep, so that'll be pretty sweet. We'll have to show you a picture of that, or I'll try to get a picture of it once it's completed, just so you can see. But yeah. So it's taken us probably, I don't know, about 4 hours to get this far. You can probably say that it's a 6 hour job, I guess, by the time it's all said and done. Just due to the fact that you just have to, you got to put the louver on, well, cut the holes, put the louver on, get the hole started, and then get it all touched up and that kind of stuff. So by the time it's all dried, once this is all dried, then it's just a matter of putting the louver on, and we'll tighten everything down. And one thing you want to be careful though, you don't want to tighten this too tight, because it will sort of pull the hood and maybe get some dents and things of that sort. No, once we're finished here though, we'll show you what we have, and that'll be it. So there we go. A little bit of reflection, but there we go. It is done. It is done. One thing we just learned right here and then right here. I have the same thing on mine where it just is dented just ever so slightly. And it's just because underneath there's like about a space that's ever so slight in the two layers of the hood there. That I think if we back the bolts out a little bit, probably would do okay, but then you might have a little bit of gap underneath it. So he's chosen to just leave it the way it is. I mean, unless you look at it, you'd never see it, but that looks really good. Really good. And as you can see, when I did, well, if you want all the details for the video, you can check mine out. I did it a couple years ago. So anyway, so there it is installed. That looks pretty amazing. So yeah, with his decal, he's got the decal already, but he'll just finish it out so it comes around right here, and it'll be green. Whatever's on here is all going to be green. So that'll look pretty sweet.